Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I wanted to make a Valentine's look, and I came up with this. I wanted it to be a little bit more soft, but I got out of control and just started applying makeup. So I just wanted to say I want to make about 3 videos of Valentine's, because Valentine's for me is very special. For me and my husband, we got married and we're almost gonna be a year in Valentine's, so it's very special. Hopefully y'all like all these tutorials that I'm gonna be making for y'all. So that is pretty much it. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Just gonna go in with my Painterly paint pot and place this all over my eye. So for this video, I'm going to be using this palette here from Anastasia. I'm going to be grabbing this eyeshadow here and just kind of blend this all over my eye. Here we go. I'm going to go in with Sonia Ana and Burnt Orange. And I'm going to be placing that all over the eye also. So I'm going to go back to the palette. I'm going to be grabbing Love Letter. I'm going to go in with my MAC 286 and kind of leaving that mostly on the crease area. Okay, so I'm going to go back with these 2 shades here in the palette. So I'm going to go to the other side of the eye and I'm going to use the same technique. So I'm going to go back with the Sonia Kashuk-Eyebrow brush, and I'm going to go back to the palette and I'm going to be grabbing Sonia Ana and Burnt Orange. And I'm going to be blending that all over the eye. Invincible. I'm going to go in with this dual MAC brush and I'm just going to go back with a Love Letter. I'm going to go back with Love Letter. And I'm going to go on top of what I cleaned up. And I'm going to do the same thing with the other eye. I'm going to go in with something that is not in the palette, but I believe you could kind of find the same color. So I'm going to go in with this single eyeshadow from Anastasia, and this one is in Pink Champagne. So I'm going to go in with the flat brush and I'm going to be grabbing a little bit of the eyeshadow and I'm going to be spraying this with the Mario Badescu setting spray, and I'm going to be placing this where I kind of cleaned up the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna be going in patting motions first. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye.
Here we go.
So I'm gonna go in with this brush here. I'm gonna go in with Love Letter. And I'm gonna go with the other side and go again with Love Letter and just kind of define the top of the eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with a liquid liner, but I'm just gonna be doing a settle liner and I'm not gonna go crazy, I think. Okay, so now that we have our liner on, I'm gonna go in and pretty much just put lashes on. So now that we have my lashes on, I'm gonna go in with this Milani dual pencil here, and it's for brows and eyes, and it's a highlighter. So I'm just gonna go under the eyebrows because my eyebrows at this moment are looking terrible. So I'm gonna go under the eyebrow. A eyeliner brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm just gonna be dipping it in this color here from the palette, and I'm just gonna be setting what I placed. And I like to use this brush. The reason why, because I feel like this brush right here is super detailed and it gets where it needs to go. It fits on the right places. It does take a little bit longer, but I feel like it does go where I need to place it. So I'm gonna go in with this Sonia Kashuk-Eyebrow palette with my Anastasia 12 brush and the Sonia Kashuk. And I'm gonna go in with the darkest color here. And at this moment, my eyebrows are kind of growing, and I don't want to go get them done for the reason that I want to let them grow. So I'm gonna go under the eyebrow, and I do have a more detailed tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. So if you want to go check it out, I'll leave the link down below. So I'm just gonna go under. I'm gonna go grabbing Love Letter and Regard and just blending that on the outer crease. I'm gonna go in and grab just a little bit of this shade here. So I'm gonna go in with foundation, and I'm gonna be using my Pro Matte. So I'm gonna go back to the palette and I'm gonna be grabbing a Wet n Wild brush, and I'm gonna be grabbing Love Letter and also Regard, and I'm just gonna be smoking out my bottom lash. I'm gonna go back to the palette and I'm gonna be grabbing this color here. And I'm gonna be using that for the inner of my eyes. For my last step, I'm gonna go in with my NARS pencil here, and I'm just gonna be putting this in the waterline. So guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? Are you ready for Valentine's? Because I know I am.